everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another unboxing and it is July and you know what that means, that there's a new Kawaii box out, and that's exactly what I'm unboxing for you today. This arrived yesterday and I just really wanted to open it, and I had another video filmed for something else Sunday, but I just really wanted to open this, so that's exactly what I have, well, what I'm going to do. So as usual, I have my scissors and I'm just gonna cut away at the tape. This time I have not looked at any of the spoilers, which is so unlike me. I mean, I was so tempted, which is why I just wanted to open it right now, because I get on Instagram and I look at, say, like Kawaii Box's Instagram and looked at all the photos that have been tagged recently, and it just shows you what's inside of them, and I do it so often because I'm just so impatient to wait, but mine's arrived already, so hopefully we should get one big surprise. So I think I'm finally open, and I am. I'm gonna open this up, and here's the little pamphlet with all the cute little pictures of everybody on the back. It's so cute. As you can see here, it says at the top that it is, well, this autofocus ever sort itself out. It's the July box, and here it is. Shall I get a thumbnail right now? I should. Okay, so let's have a look inside here. Oh my god. I see watermelon. Look at what I'm seeing. Can you see this? Watermelon. I don't even know what that is, but that's the one I'm going to start with because these already look great. Now I'm going to look in the leaflet, and it says, watermelon is a hugely popular fruit snack during the summer season in Japan. Stay refreshed with these Stay refreshed with these tasty sugar-coated gummies shaped like watermelon slices. Yes! I got loads of stuff behind me today. Oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I love Kawaii Box. So many cute stuff and always a snack. Look at this. There's a huge fly. I don't know if you just heard that, but it was like buzzing around. Can you see it? Is it focusing? It just really likes my face. Let me block out my face. Can you see it yet? Can you see it now? It's just like a really cute gummy. Which is so good. It tastes like the ones, let me eat this. It tastes like the ones from the Candy King Pick a Mix that you get at the cinemas in the UK. I don't know if you get them anywhere else, but you get them in the UK and they're fantastic. And they've got little watermelon slices in which are a little bit sour, but these taste exactly like them, just without the sour bit. These are delightful. Okay, so next up I'm just going to start off with this Hello Kitty, as it's just sat here on top and it just looks so cute, and it's just this little plush. Oh my goodness. This is the softest thing I've ever touched in my whole life, and here she is. She's just so cute. I actually don't have any mini Hello Kitties. I just have absolutely massive ones, or like normal size ones. So this one is really cute, and it's definitely gonna be kept by me, as this is the cutest thing ever. She's just so cute. She's also, like I said, really soft. Like, I can't even explain. It was, here it says it's a hanging plush, perfect to hang off any ledge, but it doesn't have a hanging hoop, so not sure. It's just gonna have to sit there because that is just the cutest thing. Anyway, next up in this box I see this. And this, I assume, is just a little squishy. It's just packaged up like a little sweet. So if I read on here, it says it's a Mochi. I never know how to say this, if it's a Mochi or Mochi or Mochi, or I don't know, M-O-C-H-I. What is it? How do you pronounce it? If you want to let me know, that would be great. Because this comes up pretty much every video I'm in and I never know how to say it properly. So it says, the M word, is a traditional Japanese rice cake treat. Squeeze your worries away with this realistic looking squeeze toy. So if I just slide this bit off, as you can see here, I should just put that out. Oh, yes. This feels so strange. What? So here it is, it's got one of these little things going through it. And oh my goodness, this feels so weird. It's so sticky. This is like those little ones that people have in their car and then they melt. Have you seen that? I see that on Instagram all the time where people have like the little cute characters, like little polar bears and stuff, and then they leave it in their car and it just gets melted. This is super satisfying. It's like slime and a squishy all in one. I feel like I need more of these in my life. Let me know where I can get more of these things, because these are great. I'm going to put that back in the packet because that just looks so adorable. Get in there. And it's not really going back. Story of my life. But anyway, back in its little packet. I wish it had this cute little face on that's on the packaging, because that would be even cuter. I don't think that I can paint on that surface, but that's cute. So next up, I just got popped over here by the way. I'm going to put it in front of me. Move this leaflet out of the way. Next up, I have this little tape. I assume this is just washi tape as it says paper tape on it. And it is little twin stars, which again, I love. I'm a big fan of all the Sanrio characters and just love it. I can't tell if that's focusing now, but anyway, it's just got all the little characters all on it. And it's just repeating all the way around. And that is so adorable. Anyway, next up we have some little hair bubbles. I assume these are watermelon. I'm not really 100% sure. I can't actually use these in my hair because I have such long and thick hair that these kind of little ones don't work. But I do have some nieces and they will love them. What? This is so strange. This is a highlighter that's like a syringe. What? I know that if I had this in school, it probably would have been confiscated as my school was like so strict, but this is so cool. What a great idea. Just right with a syringe. It's just a highlighter. I've just gone and tested it out on the leaflet. Yeah, just highlights away. Perfect. And we'll keep that. Next up is another pen. Got a bit over exaggerated there, but this is one of the ones with all the colours in. It also has a flamingo at the top. You probably can't see again because, you know, my autofocus is so slow. But look, a little flamingo. I would also say this looks like a little seagull, but it's one of the ones with all the colours on, and then you can just like pop them all down or whatever and press the flamingo to release. So then you can draw in like pink and then swap and then black and then swap. And I used to have, like I said, I used to have one of these and I loved it. Like I used to try and fit as many colours as I could down through the hole, and then I used to be able to like, yes, twist this bit off and get all the colours at once. And there they are, and then you can like draw loads with all the colours at once. It's the simple things that really excite me, honestly. I just love this. Also, this is like slightly kind of bendy and squishy, so great way to sneak a squishy into the classroom. Okay, there's a few other things here, not a lot, but first of all is this, and what is it? I don't know, but it looks great, and it looks like a DIY, and just look at this. I'm going to read it on here. Unleash your kawaii creativity and create super cute whipped cream cupcakes. Decorate them with fruit slices and serve on a tiny tray. fun for rainy days indoors. So this is like just making these cute little cupcakes. I don't think they're edible, but they would be so cute. Look at these little cases down here. Again, you trying to block out my face so it would actually focus on the product instead of me. But they've just got like 3 little cupcakes there with some whipped cream, and then I'm not 100% sure what that is, but I assume it's clay. And you can just kind of like put this nozzle on and make little whipped cream, and I'm definitely going to use this. I'm probably not going to use it in the way that this packaging says, but I might come up with a like exciting idea for this to make, I don't really know. I'll make some charms or something with these little cupcake bases and with this little nozzle, and that will come in really handy. So yeah, super excited to give this a go. Next up we have some nail stickers, and these just have unicorns and ice creams and everything on, and I could definitely do with some of these right now, as my nails are super plain. But how cute are these? You simply just like pop them on your nail and then kind of apply clear nail varnish over the top. And yeah, these are super cute, and I will definitely be using them, so you will definitely see them on my fingers in a DIY coming very soon. This fly just isn't going away. I'm not sure if you can actually hear it, but there's a huge fly. It's probably about this big, and it's floating about out my window because I've had to shut my window because someone's outside cutting the grass. I don't know a bit of hair. Yeah, someone was outside cutting the grass, and it's just so noisy. It's also so hot, and I'm wearing my pyjama top, and I'm just gonna get straight into the last thing because I'm gonna be here even longer if I keep rambling on. Anyway, so the last thing that's in this package, I love this. So I actually collect Kawaii stickers, and I have a big bag. The fly again. I have a big bag of ones I've ordered from Japan and stuff like that. And this is going straight in there because they are just Gudetama stickers. Look at these. Is it focusing? No one knows because I'm behind it and it's blocking out my whole face. But here they are. They are like clear ones, which I love when it comes to stickers. There's nothing more annoying when you want to stick a sticker onto like a pink background and you have that white outline around them. But these are clear, so you won't get that. Just look at them. I'm going to put them super close up so maybe you can see them a bit now. But anyway, I just adore these. These are beautiful. I love it because Kawaii box, they just come with such good things. You get a squishy, usually a plushie, usually a snack, usually some stickers, a crafty thing, everything that you could possibly think of that you could get in Kawaii-ness, and everything that I love is always in them. It's just the best thing. So I also just want to say, because this gets quite a lot of confusion, Kawaii box have not paid me to post this video. I have bought this box with my own money. It's been paid for, yeah, with my own money. I bought it because I really want it, and I like opening it on camera to show you guys, as I know you will love the stuff just as much as me. I will of course leave links to everything down below, so you can go ahead and maybe order yourself a Kawaii box for August. And yeah, that's all I've got to say about that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow, which of course will be a DIY. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you then. Bye! Like, can you hear that? I'm gonna get that out of here.